everyone and good morning. Today is such an exciting day because I just picked up the keys to my new apartment and I'm currently sitting in one of the bedrooms and I cannot wait to show you around. I've had a very busy morning and I'm so excited to finally be in my new apartment. This is only my second time seeing it, so I got to like rediscover everything again and take a really good look at it, and I am so in love with it already. It's very hot in here at the moment. It's a bit of a warm day here in Sydney and I can't turn the air conditioning on because I don't have any electricity, so I'm sorry if this apartment too is going to be a little bit dark, but I think it should be okay. There's a lot of natural light in here, but I cannot wait to get electricity. I haven't got any eye makeup on today either because my right eye has been so irritated lately and it just keeps wanting to water and it's just going to smudge my mascara everywhere. As you can probably see, it's like taken all the makeup off around that eye, but we're just going to go with it. Alrighty, so let's jump into my empty apartment tour. I'm so excited. So I think the best place to start an empty apartment tour is at the front door. So you've just come in the front door and to your left is a set of stairs, and then to your right is the guest bathroom, and as you can see it's very dark in here because I have no electricity at the moment. Ooh, it's very echoey in here. Ooh. Back in the hallway, if you turn to the left instead, this is honestly one of my favorite parts. Harry Potter's bedroom. Oh my gosh. It's the cupboard under the stairs. This makes me so happy, and for some reason I just really want to put like a sign on the door for something to do with Harry Potter in the cupboard under the stairs. I don't know, let me know what you think of that and what I should put here, but I just think that'd be so fun. And then further walking down the hallway to the left, we have the kitchen, which I'm very excited about. I can't wait to decorate it with all my pretty pink and mint green appliances. So there's a really good look at the kitchen. I'm so excited to film more baking videos here. And then here is the living space. So it's quite nice and large, and I can't wait to see how this all comes together. And out there is a balcony that goes around that way, and we've got a nice big window. And then off the kitchen and the living, we've got, this is the laundry, I'm pretty sure. Yes, so this is the laundry. Oh look, I've already moved the most important thing in my tripod. Across from the laundry, we have one of the bedrooms. So it's just got this little hallway and all the wardrobes in here, hello, are mirrored, which is awesome for outfit shots and everything. It also makes the rooms feel really big, but this is one of the bedrooms. They're all carpeted, which is nice, and it's perfect for sound when recording videos, so that's like a plus. To the right here we have another bedroom, and I think this is going to be makeup, beauty, closet, all that good stuff. And then across from that we have my bedroom. I'm so excited to decorate this. I totally want to go for a new theme and vibe in my whole apartment, so let me know if you have any ideas. I'm a little bit stuck for my bedroom. I've got other things planned out, but my bedroom, I just don't know what I want to do with it. And then there's the window, another mirrored wardrobe, and then, okay, this is going to be really dark because there's no natural light down here, but if you come down this way, we have a bathroom, and once I get electricity, I will be able to show you this better, but I'm so excited about the size of the shower. Where I live now, the bathroom that I use is so small, I can't even put my arms up. I have to like shuffle around if I want to shut the door and shuffle back if I want to open the shower door, so it's like you can only kind of move like this. So when I walked into that bathroom, it was just like amazing. I walked in, I was like, I can put my arms up. Back to probably my absolute favorite part of the apartment, the upstairs, I guess. I don't know if you'd call it a loft area. Can we take guesses now how many times I'm going to fall up and down these stairs? Oh my gosh, I'm such a clumsy person. And then this is going to be my office. I'm so excited to finally have a separate area where I can go to do all my work and editing and emails and have it separate from my living space. It also has a huge terrace office, which is great. I'm so excited to put all my plants up here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to see this space come together. I hope it comes together like my Pinterest board looks. I have lots of Pinterest boards going at the moment, but we'll see. So this is my office workspace, girl boss area, which is very exciting. I cannot wait to make this all pink and pretty. What my living room is looking like at the moment. It looks the complete opposite to how it used to look, but everything is ready to go and ready to be moved. Everything is off the walls, everything's packed away, and we are ready to get this move on the go. Do you guys remember when I was packing this room? Look at it now, it's all empty. All that's left in here is furniture, and I'm so proud of myself for getting all this done. And then this is my very sad bedroom. Look, all the decor is gone. It's all off the walls. All we have is this lonely little plant and my bed.
My head is spinning. I see you rapping about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor. Late nights skin dipping like we're on our own run. Got the worst no, 'cause we're so young. We were so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Had no words.
So I'm just at the new place, and the first lot of furniture and all that has turned up, and now whilst the removalists are back out of the place loading up the truck again, I thought I'd show you what's turned up and how it's looking. Really quite a mess. Everything's everywhere, and I haven't even decided where I want certain furniture pieces to go, so I thought I could just decide that later on. So it's kind of just been dumped in places. That's not where that's actually going to be, but I need to really think about where I want everything. I, for some reason, hadn't thought about it, and they walked in and they were like, where do you want the bookshelves? And I was like, I have no idea. This is what it's looking like at the moment. It's just a lot of boxes. My couch is in, which is so exciting, and my TV, and that definitely made it feel more like home to me. And we just got the dining table. All these boxes need to be unpacked. I just put together my bed so I can sleep. Honestly, that's the most important thing. That was like the first thing I knew I wanted to do. And now my mattress is here. And then down there, it's just things for the wardrobe and the bathroom. I'll get to that later. That's future Gillian's problem. This room is ready for my filming table to go in right there. I just got my slime storage put in here so I can repack all my slime supplies, which is great. They're like everywhere, all in these boxes, so they need to go back into their cupboards and drawers so I can get to them really easily. I don't know if anything has gone upstairs. Let's have a look. This is, I'm pretty sure, all just cushions. I know I have way too many cushions. I really need to go through them and donate some. I do not need this many in here at the moment. All the furniture we have, it is just the top of my desk, so I think the legs are coming in the next load. And then on the little terrace up here, all we have is a little outdoor dining table at the moment. So still lots to do, but we're getting there slowly. Yeah, I'm just excited to be all moved in and all settled in and know where everything is. I've felt so all over the place lately because I just haven't had access to anything. I don't know where my skincare is. I don't know where like all my tanning products are. I don't know where my cutlery is. And there's so many things I need to organize. My air conditioning is not working. My internet isn't working, so I need to contact my internet provider. But first, I think I need a nap. It has been such a long couple of days, but all the furniture and pretty much everything has been moved across to my new apartment. So now, as you can probably see behind me, I now have a lot of unpacking to do and finding a home for everything. I'm also feeling a little bit under the weather, but that's okay. I'm just so happy to get settled in now. I honestly can't believe how much stuff came out of my old apartment. Like, I don't know how everything fit. Like, this isn't even half of it, and it just kept like going and going. It was never ending. So I think this is mostly kitchen stuff, so somehow all of that has to fit in there, but we'll figure it out. And then we have the kitchen looking pretty messy. The first thing I did was set up the living room a little bit just so it felt more like home. I definitely think the first thing I need to do is sort out my clothes and everything because my bed is somewhere under there. So I'm gonna do that first, and yeah, let's get going.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get
to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow. Work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not